What if I told you that this entire stationery shop, with over 30 different planners, journals, and notepads, was built using a single Canva template and a spreadsheet? No designing each product one by one, no creative burnout, just one smart automation that does the heavy lifting for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Bulk Create feature to generate an entire product range in minutes, and then how to list it all on Etsy using print on demand, so you never have to touch a printer, pack a box, or ship a single thing. Hey, welcome back to Junkie, the channel where we turn smart Canva skills into real income streams. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a master stationery template in Canva, set up a data spreadsheet that drives your entire product range, use Canva's Bulk Create to generate dozens of designs automatically, export them print ready, and connect everything to Etsy through a print-on-demand supplier. If this sounds like the video you've been waiting for, subscribe right now so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. Before we touch Canva, let me show you the whole system so it makes sense. Step 1. We build one master cover template in Canva with special placeholder fields. Step 2. We create a spreadsheet where each row is a different product. Step 3. Canva's Bulk Create reads that spreadsheet and automatically generates a unique design for every single row. Step 4. We export all designs as print-ready PDFs. And Step 5. We upload to our print-on-demand supplier and list on Etsy. One template, one spreadsheet, unlimited products. Let's build it. Open Canva and create a new design. We're going to use 6 by 9 inches, the standard notebook size. Now, here's where this gets interesting. Design this cover just like normal. Pick a background, choose your color palette, add some shapes or graphics. Make it beautiful. Now, the key step, we need to add a text box for the product title, but instead of typing a real title, we're going to use a special placeholder. Click Text, add a heading, and type the word title with double curly brackets either side. This tells Canva this text will be replaced automatically. Save this template, we're done with it. Everything from here happens in the spreadsheet. Now open Google Sheets, or Excel, whichever you prefer, and create a simple table. Your first column header should be exactly the word title. This must match the placeholder name we used in Canva. Then fill in each row with a different product name. For example, Daily Planner, Weekly Journal, Habit Tracker, Meal Planner, Budget Planner, Gratitude Journal, and so on. Each row becomes one product. Download this sheet as a CSV file. File, download, comma-separated values. Save it somewhere you can find it. Back in Canva, open your master template. In the left panel, click Apps and search for Bulk Create. Click Upload CSV and select the file we just downloaded. Canva reads your spreadsheet and shows you a preview of your data. Now click on the title text box in your design. Then, in the Bulk Create panel, click Connect Data next to the title column. Now hit Generate. And watch this. Canva automatically creates a separate, fully designed page for every single row in your spreadsheet. 15 rows equals 15 finished designs. This would have taken hours to do manually. Canva just did it in seconds. Now we download everything. Click Share in the top right, then Download. Select PDF print for the best quality, and make sure to tick crop marks and bleed since these are going to physical products. Then hit Download. Canva will package all your pages into one PDF, and just like that, 15 print-ready product covers, downloaded and ready to upload. Here's where the business model kicks in. We're going to use a print-on-demand supplier. I recommend Printify. Head to printify.com and create a free account. Search for notebooks in their product catalog, pick the size closest to your 6 by 9 design, click Start Designing, and upload your cover PDF. Now connect Printify to your Etsy shop. Go to My Stores, click Add a New Store, and select Etsy. Authorize the connection, and your shops are linked. Every product you publish in Printify automatically appears in your Etsy shop. Printify handles every order automatically, printing, packing, and shipping direct to your customer. Here's the beautiful part about this workflow. Once your template and spreadsheet are set up, scaling is trivial. Want 50 products instead of 15? Add more rows and run Bulk Create again. Want a whole new product range? Say meal planners with a different color theme? Duplicate your template, change the color palette once, update your spreadsheet, generate. You've just launched a second product line in under 10 minutes. This is how serious Etsy sellers build shops with hundreds of listings without a team, without outsourcing, and without burning out. And that is the full system. Canva Bulk Create, Print on Demand, and Etsy, working together as one automated stationery business. If this video gave you a light bulb moment, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this channel. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment below telling me what product you're going to make first. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep building.